Hey there, tech junkies. Today we have got a box full of Apple goodness ready to be unleashed. Get ready to join me on this thrilling ride as we unpack the highly anticipated Apple MacBook Air M2. It's time to break free from the shackles of mediocre laptops and dive into a world of sleek design and mind-blowing performance. As I unpack the box, let's hear the specs. It comes in two versions, a 13-inch display and a 15-inch display. Oh, you put it from here. The 13-inch display have got three options, a 8GB RAM, a 16GB RAM, and a 24GB RAM option, with storage in 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, and 2TB SSD option. It starts from with an MRP of 1,14,900, and with the M2 chip under the hood, this beauty is a beast. The M2 chip has an 8-core CPU, 4 performance core, 4 efficiency core, and an 8-core GPU with a 16-core neural engine. It's like having a supercomputer disguised as a lightweight laptop. This thing has still got the 3.5mm headphone jack, 1 MagSafe port, and 2 Type-C or what you call Thunderbolt 2. But wait, there's more. In the box, you have got one Type-C to MagSafe cable, an Apple instruction manual. This thing should still have the Apple stickers if I'm correct. There are your Apple stickers. And you have your power socket with a Type-C point. It's time to hit the subscribe button and join the epic journey as we unbox, explore, and push the limits of the Apple MacBook Air M2. It's going to be a wild ride, my friends. Stay tuned.